Good afternoon everyone. I'm Sister Libby, Principal of Nagle Vidhya Bhavan. Today is not just about showcasing our students' robotics projects, about understanding why robotics is so important for the next generation. Technology is changing the world at lightning speed. Robotics is at the heart of this change, from healthcare to space exploration.
I'm Esra Mary David
Jesse Justin.
Irish Kajos.
from 6B. We study in Nagle Vidhya Bhavan. Collision avoiding robot. Collision avoiding robot can automatically sense the obstacles in front of it and avoid them by turning itself in another direction. Collision avoiding robot can be used in many fields, including self-driving cars, delivery drones for transportation, toys, vacuum robots, factory robots for industrial automation. The list is literally endless.
The components that are used in this project are ultrasonic sensors, Arduino board, motor driver, battery holder, battery, DC motor, wheels. The robot has eyes called ultrasonic sensors. These eyes help them to locate nearby object. If the object is too close, it will send a message to Arduino board, and Arduino board will send a message to motor driver to turn the wheels.
The sensor detects the obstacles and measures the distance. The microcontroller processes the sensor data and interprets the best source of action. The robot adjusts its speed and direction to avoid collision.
Hi, I'm Jeena. I'm the computer teacher of Nagle Vidhya Bhavan Kanjoor. We know that the future world is a world of robots. Robots are going to assist in our daily life. So we should prepare our children for the future by developing robotic things. As you all know, our school is providing robotics training for our children. We are using a platform called CyberSquare for this. It's a wonderful platform for our kids for improving their talent in science and technology. They can develop their problem-solving skills, critical thinking, innovation and creativity. It also helps improve teamwork and communication. Currently, our students are developing web pages, games and robotic cars.
By learning robotics, our students develop problem solving, creativity and teamwork skills that will help them succeed in any field. Here, we believe education should prepare children for life, not just for exams. We started our robotics partnership with the CyberSquare last year. Their classes have encouraged our students to think critically, adapt to change, and embrace innovations. This year, Our students are participating in tech talks and robotics competitions in multiple inter-school digital fest. I thank Cybersquare for their partnership, our teachers for their dedication, and our students for their enthusiasm. Together, we are building a future-ready generation. Thank you.